This is gonna be fun.
Let's make some happy memories! Come on, everyone! Time to find the fun!
Yeah, find the fun.
Woohoo! And this sure is a whirlwind of fun!
Enjoy your jolly, fun-filled time.
Thanks, Xander. Greatest day ever! Woo! We're winding down. Now please stay seated until the emotional whirlwind comes to a complete stop. Then wait for a mind worker to open your door. Okay, time to get these memories down to long term. Bye-bye!
Oh, so the emotional whirlwind is finally lifting off. Joy wants to call this the Happy Memory Development Program. So go on, make some happy memories. Just enjoy the ride. How hard is it?
Woo! Keep spinning!
Wow! I've had 3 churros and a coffee. This is madness.
Happiest memory ever!
You are all fearless. You're my kind of people. The emotional whirlwind is about to end, so stay seated until your memory mover comes to a complete stop. Then wait for a mind worker to open your door and exit in an orderly fashion.